Greetings everyone, Shubhi Chaturvedi here, and in today's digital graduation show, I'll be presenting my collection which was to be sponsored by Trecon Export Services Private Limited. However, due to the lockdown, they were unable to provide me with samples. Hence, following the guideline provided by NIFT, I have developed a collection on my own with the available material at home, which consists of 6 pieces, and it follows the proper design process, which I am going to be explaining via this video. The first thing I kept in mind was to decide the season for which I will be making my collection, and it is spring summer 2021. After deciding the season, I went ahead and did the forecast research, and I have used the services of the Sourcing Journal. Keeping in mind the forecast services, I went ahead and took inspiration from the work of designers like Roberto Cavalli and Alexander McQueen by Sarah Burton, as their work captures the mysterious essence of nocturnal flowers, and it is these nocturnal flowers which serve as the inspiration for my collection. Taking inspiration from nocturnal flowers like Brahma Kamal, Casablanca Lily, Evening Primrose, this collection very much captures the essence of hope and optimism that we very much need in these trying times of the pandemic and the lockdown that has followed. It is derived from the forecast services of WGSN and the Sourcing Journal. After coming up with the boards and the forecast services which preceded, these are some of the sketches I have developed for my collection. After making initial sketches, these are the digital renditions of my final designs. Now is the time to unveil the final products which I have worked so meticulously on. The collection consists of 6 cushions, each of size 10 by 10 inches. The techniques which I have used most dominantly are hand painting and hand embroidery. The tassels which you can see in these cushions have also been made by me from scratch. At last, I would like to say that even though I could not get the samples from the industry, I am very thankful that I could make the collection from scratch, because it gave me more creative freedom and allowed me to explore things I have never done before. I had all the creative liberty that one could have to come up with a collection with limited material, and thus, as an aspiring designer, I would say it was a very challenging yet fun thing to do, and I thank our institute for pushing us further and further and bringing out the best of each creative person that is a part of our institute. Thank you.